Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. High Excellencies, respected teachers, and honorable guests and my dear students. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And very good afternoon. It's a great honor for me to be here in such a beautiful, blessed, and spiritual gathering. First of all, I warmly welcome all of our honorable guests. Thanks for joining us today in this great annual ceremony. This institution is not a strange or unfamiliar place for me. It is here that I used to sit as a student, listening, learning, dreaming, and shaping my personality. A few years back, I was seated right over there where our students are sitting today. Here, I didn't study books and subjects. I also learned discipline, patience, character, and purpose of life. By the grace of Allah, today I stand before you as a teacher of very institution that nurtured me once. So it is a great pleasure for me. My presence here and this journey from student to a teacher is not just personal achievements, but it is a living proof of what sincere learning, consistency, and belief in God can accomplish. So my presence here carries a clear message for our students that if you pursue knowledge with sincerity, value it, respect your teachers, and remain steadfast, this institution will not only prepare you for the exams, but it will also prepare you for the leadership and for the service and responsibility. So it is obvious proof that I am studying here. It's a proof of that this institution invests in its students and provides opportunities to those who remain connected with knowledge and character. May Allah bless this institution, its teachers, and make us all a source of benefits for this ummah. Jazakumullah khair. Thanks for listening.